In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manually create an advanced array pattern in Blender. Let's create a mesh circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. In edit mode, type 1 to vertex select, and remove the vertices on the right side like this. Dissolve will also work, but that will create an edge in between the last two vertices. Shift D to duplicate, and R to rotate. Let's select two vertices and type F to connect them. I'll create a new vertex by selecting two vertices, then right-click, then type S to subdivide them like this. Let's select the vertices on the right, duplicate it, and bring it down like this. Shift D to duplicate, and R to rotate. This is kinda buggy, and Blender won't align the mesh properly. Deselect everything, hover the cursor on one of the meshes, and type L to link select. Typing 1 here should have properly placed the mesh, but it's not working. We'll have to rely on the array modifier's merge if precise measurement doesn't work. Let's link select the meshes, and start to fill them by pressing F. This is how we create an advanced array pattern. In edit mode, type A to select all, and E to extrude. I'll add a random material, and use the default environment light to render the scene. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.